What if you could build a professional looking admin dashboard using AI and then simply deploy it on your own VPS server live? Something that actually looks like a real SaaS product, analytics platform, or startup interface. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate a modern admin dashboard UI using AI and then host it live. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a portfolio-worthy dashboard running online that you can customize, expand, or even use as the foundation for future projects. What's up everyone, it is Christian from RackNerd TV. If you've been following our recent videos where we used AI to build games, websites, landing pages, and AI chatbot projects, today we are taking things a step further because admin dashboards are everywhere. Analytic panels, startup platforms, SaaS products, internal tools, reporting systems, they all rely on dashboards. And the interesting part is AI can now generate surprisingly good dashboard interfaces very quickly. So today we are going to use AI to generate a complete dashboard UI using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then we'll upload it and host it on a VPS using Apache and the Bitvice SSH client. And even though the final result looks advanced, the actual deployment process is still very beginner friendly. All right, let's jump into it. Now we're on ChatGPT, go ahead and use this prompt. Create a modern admin dashboard UI using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with charts and stats. Include sidebar navigation, analytic cards, graphics, tables, and a clean and responsive design. Once the AI generates the code, go ahead and copy everything. Open your text editor and paste in the code. Now save that file as index.html. Make sure that you save it exactly as index.html and not a text document. Once that's done, double-click the file and open it in your web browser. At this stage, review the dashboard and make sure everything looks correct. Scroll through the layout, resize the browser window, and test any charts or interactive components. And honestly, this is one of the most impressive use cases for AI-generated front-end development. Within just a few minutes, you can create something that looks like a professional software dashboard. Now that we've confirmed everything is working locally, let's deploy it on a VPS. Go ahead and open the Bitvice SSH client. Enter your VPS details, host is your server IP address, username is root, and then enter your root password. Once everything is entered, click login. Now inside the terminal, we're going to install Apache. If you're using Ubuntu or Debian, run these commands. Once Apache finishes installing, open your VPS IP address in your browser. You should now see the default Apache page. Now let's remove the default page. Inside your terminal, run this command. Now we're ready to upload the dashboard files. Inside of the Bitvice SFTP file browser, navigate to /var/www/html/. On your local machine, locate your index.html file. Then drag and drop it into the folder on your server that we just opened. Once the upload finishes, go back to your browser and refresh your VPS IP address. Your dashboard should now be live. Go ahead and navigate through the interface to make sure everything is loaded correctly. And just like that, you now have a live admin dashboard hosted entirely on your own VPS. From here, you can continue building on top of it by connecting APIs, adding authentication, integrating databases, or even turning it into a real SaaS project. And that's it, you have successfully built and deployed your own AI-generated admin dashboard on a VPS. This is a really powerful example of how AI can help speed up front-end development while still giving you full control over deployment and hosting. And the more projects you build like this, the more comfortable you'll become, not just generating code with AI, but actually shipping and hosting real projects online. The combination of AI workflows plus infrastructure knowledge is becoming an increasingly valuable skill set right now. If you want to keep experimenting with projects like this, a VPS gives you the flexibility to host dashboards, apps, landing pages, APIs, and multiple projects all in one place. You can explore available VPS plans and specials anytime at RackNerd.com. And if you want to connect your AI website or project to your own domain name, make sure to check out our other RackNerd TV tutorial on how to point your domain name to your server's IP address step by step. And if you're enjoying this AI Builder series here on RackNerd TV, make sure to subscribe because we've got more hands-on VPS and AI deployment tutorials coming very soon. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.